What's up, guys? This is my Vevor Toolbox diesel heater. I got a 12-volt lithium battery over here, and today we're gonna see if the Vevor diesel heater can keep the X3 warm. We got some cracks and stuff here. It's gonna let the air out. There's a big crack down in here that's gonna let the air out. Big old crack down in here that's gonna let the air out. Here, here, little here, and I'm missing my window clamp. So we got a big crack here. It's gonna let some air out. It's what we do for now. We're gonna run it, see what it does, then we're gonna worry about the air vents later. Let's do it. Well, I had a thermometer to show you the temperature inside and out, but be damned if I can find it. It's what I do. But this does have a temperature gauge on it for inside. So we're 66 degrees leaving the garage, Fahrenheit. 68 degrees, but I can feel some draft coming in. Like I said, I got some holes to close up there. Big old gaps here behind me. So if we don't get the best results, there's room for improvement. I got this bad vibration going on up here too. Just put my roof on and I forgot to put some pads in there to prevent that. We'll get that fixed up. Feel some cold air coming in here. I don't think there's much I can do about that. I just remembered too, there's going to be a bunch of cold air up here. Yeah, I can feel it. Deer in the road up there. Another one. Where there's one, there's always another. Meter saying down to 66, still nice, better than zero. It's zero outside. Nobody been down the trail today. Somebody walking, that's it. Coming in, like I say, it's mostly from the roof. I forgot to seal between the windshield and the roof, so all the wind's hitting the windshield, going up under the roof, coming right in through here. Oh, back on the road. Anyway, we'll take a little ride out the trail here, back 20 minutes or so, see what the temperature does at speed. Jordan Range Road. let's get out and take a look at the heater. Maiden voyage, so want to make sure she's holding on. I'm pretty sure she is. I built it pretty good, I think. Let's get out and check the heater. Seems to be right where we left it. I know you can't see nothing, but take my word for it. She's good. To 53 degrees after cruising along, but yeah, that just means we got more work to do. Seal up some grass and whatnot. So 55 degrees was the temperature while we were cruising. So that's it for now. I'm gonna work on sealing up some of these holes with this Gorilla Tape here. And make sure you subscribe and check us out. We'll be back with an update to let you know how it works once I seal up some of the holes. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Vevor. See you on the next one. They call me a god.